How to get Microsoft Word for Android and use it. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, ensure that you have downloaded the Microsoft Word application on your device. As you can see, I've already downloaded it. So I'm going to tap on open. And as you tap on open, you just make sure that you have logged into your account. I've already logged into my account via my Gmail account. So all you have to do is you can just tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. So here you'll be able to choose any blank document if you want to create something new or write something new in the Microsoft Word. Or here you can have different templates as well that you can use for your documents. Next, you can just create in different versions. Here you can drive from OneDrive or you can select the file from your device as well. So as you tap on this device or documents, you'll be able to get the access to your own files from the file manager or from your device. So you can do that as well. If not, you can just tap on blank document and you can create a new document over here. Here you can just tap on it and start typing. So it will give you the access and the experience just like that of your desktop or your laptop. You just have to mention all the required work that you need to do on the Google Microsoft Word. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.